Hello guys, this dictation is Kailash Chandra Volume 1. Transcription 2. Dictation speed is 80 words per minute, starting in 5 seconds left. Start. I should like now to make a few observations on the budget. This budget marks a turning point in the history of our country. It is no use attempting, as some of my friends have done, either to deprecate the budget very strongly or to suggest that we are not witnessing a new observation in our methods of physical training and technique. I want it to be quite clearly pointed out of my friends that we are now facing the learn year of Indian finance. There too we had revenue surpluses, which were a form of public saving and which were meant to be utilized for capital development. Hereafter, this form of revenue surplus would not be available. We have therefore to find out ways of means of implementing our great program of national reconsultation at minimum cost. My point is that the deficit on revenue account would be and the order of about rupees 19 to 20 crores. Here let me point out that I do not agree with those of my friends in the finance development who have attempted to suggest that rupees 9 or 18 crores which are obtained from Pakistan should be put to the revenue side of the budget. They are to be put on the capital side, but that does not seriously alter the trend of my argument that I am suggesting is that we would have to be prepared for a deficit of a much higher order. Even the revenue side that itself should make us realize that there are very many problems which we have to face and that we have to undertake ways of means of increasing the resources our country so that it might be possible for us to have a greater amount of surplus or a greater amount of public saving for the purpose of Financing capital development. The finance minister, in the course of his speech, Mr. Deputy Minister pointed out that the deficit during the past 2 years were of the order of rupees 83 crores. I eventually humbly to disagree with him because I feel that when we are taking off deficit, we must take into account our overall deficit incurred by the central government, and that would be of the order of rupees 200 crores during the year of reality light expenditure. We had a shortfall of about rupees 200 crores, full stop.